What is up, guys? Welcome back to JB ADV. It's a crisp morning. Today is actually Sunday, the day before Memorial Day. We are awake. It is just before 8 o'clock here. We're getting ready. Long night, so I'm trying to still wake up, but it's all right. We're gonna soon wake up here and go meet up with the rest of the boys, and I'm gonna show you what we got going on today. It's gonna be a good trail ride. Should be multiple videos coming out of this trail ride, I'm hoping. We got Pauline riding a quad. We got her father coming out. We got her brother coming out. We're going to meet up with a bunch of our friends. So welcome back. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I know it's been a little slow, but we're here. We're going to try to make more content. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. Behind me, we got the garage. So we got Pauline's bike hanging out here. Hopefully today will be trail riding. Tomorrow will be street riding. And then we got my bike over here on the tender. So this is good. So the battery's nice, freshly charged. It's always good if you have option just to throw it on a battery tender. You know, we got a nice like 4 bank over there, so that's what we use. But so we are pulling around, actually backing up to the trailer. Let me show you what we got going on inside the trailer for you guys. So if we come through this cubby hole, you'll see we got tires. No, we got actually it's too dark. We got the blaster there. We got the YFZ back there. It's gonna be a good day. We got the bike all loaded up. Got the ramps, we got the fuel jugs. Got a toolbox. We're out here. Here's a different look of the trailer here. See, we got the Grizzly loaded up. We got the LTZ loaded up. The YFZ loaded up and the Blaster loaded up. Blaster's kind of back up right now. Pauline's gonna be on the Grizzly today, but
before we pull away.
Yeah, really. Yeah, we gotta unplug that. There you go. Woo! I gotta climb back through. Here we go. Climbing back through. Go for it. Boom. Back it up, Terry.
Monster.
A monster? What kind of monster? Stop. I don't care about your money. I just owe you money.
Oh yeah, that's right. It's like mean monster. Yo, you're recording me?
Yeah, I'm recording you.
Yo, get the fuck out.
Alright, and why don't I go all the way?
What?
Go up a little bit more.
Go up a little bit more, yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
I hate them little trailers.
They work though.
Yeah. Actually, I just don't like the tire.
Okay, Terry. Oh,
You're talking about a fucking boat.
All right, guys, so we just got here. We're just unloading now. We got all the bikes here. All the bikes. They're still unloading there. That's the backup bike, just in case. But everybody's changing. We're getting ready to ride. It's gonna be a good time. Never been out here before. This is in more of the coal section of Pennsylvania here that we're in right now. We just went through like, forget the town name. I guess it's Mahanoy City. I don't know how to say it. But this is more near like AOAA, if you guys are familiar with that and everything, but this is more east of that. So we're just gonna finish unloading here, and then we're gonna hit the trails, and I'll be switching over to that helmet view for you guys, and you guys hopefully will enjoy this little ride that we got going on today. So Stay tuned.
All right, guys. So we are all suiting up now finally. As you guys can see, I got no jackets on, nothing today. I'm just running jeans and shit. Hopefully it'll work out. Everybody's got their fancy suits on, their pants and jackets and everything else. No, not me. That's all right. We're all the same here. It's all right. I'm not trying to be extra today. Just trying to have a good time. Also, I forgot my quad lock cable in my truck back at the house, so I'm using my friend's iPhone cable. It works though, if anybody's wondering. I don't see why it wouldn't work, but it worked. So. Oh, you don't have a car. She doesn't have a cardo on anyway. It'll just be me and Kyle then. Uh-oh. Yo. Loose? The shifter. Alright, now we're heading out. Everybody's showing up. Everybody's showing up. Pauline looks good on that bike. She looks good on that. That might have to become her new bike, to be honest with you. That is our family's LTZ now, but we picked that up. But it's kind of like whoever wants to ride it rides it, and but she looks really good on it. Oh, holy shit. Not what I was expecting first thing. Woo! We're in that soft clay, guys. Come on, second gear. Oh my god. Wow, this is crazy. Woo! Oh man, how much nicer it is when you get moving. That's my first time dealing with train tracks with the bike. That's a pretty crappy experience, I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's nice though to be moving. I've never had this bike overheat before. Might have had the fan kick on a couple times, but with all that revving and stuff, and stalling it a couple times trying to get over the tracks. You know, it's good to get moving, get some air to it. I'm gonna keep my distance back from him. I don't want any more rocks flinging up and hitting this GoPro. actually like having the mirrors when you're on trails. This is pretty cool. This is nice though. Good way to just get comfortable with yourself again. Woo, we got some mud holes coming up. Oh boy. Well, if that doesn't make you want a better suspension, I don't know what does. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah, that was a little bit more technical, huh? You got this soft rock, soft coal on these downhills, just makes it so much more technical. You can see we're kicking up like fresh tracks today though. Woo, okay, all right. Ow, that was thorns. I should have wore my Alpine Stars pants at least, but I guess I'll go this way. I'll just follow them. I'm already looking for detours. Oh man, that would have been bad if I went that way. Oh no, not really. This is cool, man. This is beautiful, right?
You know how many cars are in here? Here. A lot.
Oh yeah, I bet.
Here. Yeah. Yeah, this is about 400 foot deep.
I want to get a good pic of like.
So you can see the shell.
Yeah.
You can walk it out and it comes up to here and drops off super fast and just vertical.
Yeah.
Drops right off.
So guys, we made it to our first spot here. We're just messing around. We're only a little bit into the trail so far, but this is a pretty cool little hangout. These old quarry, like just lakes, are so deep. They're saying this is like 400 feet deep, which I actually do believe. That's probably crazy, but that's so cool. This is just the name of the game today. It's just hanging out, having a good time on the trail. So we were just hanging out, but we realized that her phone or watch, something called emergency services, thanks Apple, from bumping it. So there's that. So we had to call them back and tell them there was no emergency. That's good times. But I think we're heading back out now. What am I up to recording time? 24. I might want to just cut this as a video. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up the first part of the video series of us trail riding. We're about to head out on the second one, so stay posted. If you guys liked the first video, definitely stick around for the second video as we explore more of these trails. And you guys can hear everybody starting back up, so take it easy guys, and I'll see you on the second one. Ooh, no traction.